Thank you, Lindsay. Now on Sunrise, our country has passed a grim milestone in the pandemic, surpassing 20 million cases of COVID-19. At least 346,000 people have died in the U.S. from the virus. Indiana added another 6,400 positive cases yesterday. 106 more Hoosiers have died from COVID, and our positivity rate has now climbed to 14.3%. We will hear our new numbers for today around noon. Well, as of right now, those numbers aren't interfering with the Metro's plans for classrooms. Students in Marion County are allowed to return to in-person learning beginning Monday, but not all school districts are bringing students back just yet. IPS is sticking with its original return date of January 19th, but it could be later than that. They'll look at the COVID data after winter break and then make a final decision then. Lawrence Township is also keeping students home for virtual learning until January 19th. Also starting Monday, the Marion County Health Department is opening its free drive-through COVID testing sites. There are 4 of them. These tests are free, but you do need to have an appointment. You can register online at marionhealth.org. You can also call 317-221-5515.
To me, it seems like the Republican leader is afraid to schedule a vote on $2,000 checks because he's afraid it'll pass.
Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer and Senator Bernie Sanders tried to get COVID relief checks increased to $2,000, which President Trump wants. But Senate Republicans, including Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, blocked those efforts as they met yesterday.
A huge chunk would essentially be socialism for rich people, money flowing to households earning well into 6 figures, who did not lose any jobs or income last year. The House Democrats' bill is just simply not the right approach.
And McConnell says many households are already receiving those $600 payments. Senate Republicans voted to override the president's veto and push through a bill on defense spending. That's the first time this has happened during the Trump presidency. The $740 billion act determines things like how many ships are bought and soldiers' pay. Indiana Senator Mike Braun was among the 13 senators who did not vote to override Trump's veto. We do have an update for anyone receiving unemployment benefits. President Trump's delay in signing the new COVID relief bill shouldn't impact your payments. That's according to the Labor Department. The latest relief bill includes a $300 boost in weekly payments for 11 weeks. There has been some concern that payments wouldn't be posted on time as states now rush to get their systems in order, but you will receive all 11 weeks worth of funds. We have received more information on the Moderna vaccine. The company says it'll start vaccinating its employees. Moderna says it's because they perform an essential service in developing and delivering the vaccine. Protecting them will cut down on absences, which slow down getting the doses to other Americans. Both employees and adults who live with them can be vaccinated, and they won't pay out of pocket, and it's also not a requirement. We are staying on top of the latest developments in Washington on spending, COVID, and of course your stimulus checks. If you want to get those updates sent straight to your phone, you can download our mobile app. We also have a special section with coronavirus info. That's at WTHR.com.